Goldman Sachs just said it. 300 million jobs eliminated by 2028, not by 2050, by 2028. That is 4 years away. ChatGPT has 200 million users. OpenAI just launched o1. It reasons like a senior analyst. McKinsey studied 900 companies last month. 50% of white-collar work is automatable now, not eventually. Now, Goldman identified software engineering first, then accounting, then legal research, then financial analysis. Deloitte tracked 15,000 workers in 2024. 47% said AI replaced their core task. Your job exists because humans do it slowly. AI does it in 6 seconds. You send emails. ChatGPT writes them better. You analyze spreadsheets. Claude reads 200 at once. You review contracts. Harvey reads 10,000 contracts daily. You have 4 years, maybe less. Your salary is overhead now. Automation is free. This is not speculation. IBM cut 8,000 jobs for AI. Google cut 12,000 for AI. Amazon cut 27,000 for AI. They know what is coming. You should know too. The clock is running. Your move starts now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.